What's going on? It's your boy Byron, one half of the Mobile Home Elite Investors, and today we're going to show you how to measure a home to get it ready to be moved. So we out here, man, in Linwood, Illinois. Got an investor, definitely about to do a move and quick little flip. So the good thing about this home, guys, didn't even touch it more than a day. Connected them with somebody who's gonna get the home. So about to show you guys, walk through it. So come and follow me. So you guys see the skirting is all off. One of the first things when you have a move, you gotta to measure a home, you want to make sure you take off the skirting. So first things I want to show you guys up under here, whenever you're doing a move, one of the main things, if you can kind of see, and we can kind of go to the front, is the hitch. All right, or the so we saw the tongue. We're gonna come to the front of this, and so right here, that hitch connects to this part right here. You see, we had to remove some skirting, and if you look, this is the hitch up under there, and that connects to this part right here, which is what they will attach to a truck. Okay, so again, when you're talking about a move, normally you won't be doing a move. Normally you have professionals. But if you're saying, hey, you know what, you want to get measurements, you want to get a company their measurements already, here, let me show you guys. We had to do strong, man. We had to move. Me and my partner, one of them, shout out to my man Phil. So if you look at it, right here, you see these axles right here, right? One of these axles aren't connected, but these axles, and there's actually, you can see these tires under there as well. Most mobile homes, they have the tires still under there. They have those axles. Those are where the wheels are going to go, okay? So one key thing is you want to measure from that axle, for the first axle, all the way to the front of the home, okay? So in this case, I'm going to show you guys what we use to measure homes as well and where you can get it from. You want to measure it all the way to the front of the home, all right? Another key thing is you want to measure the length of this home. Come follow me to the car real quick. So one of the things, man, that to really measure a home, you see this 100-foot measuring tape, right? This is something you really need because most homes are up to 70 feet or longer. So this can help you measure the entire width of the home. All right, so when they move, they need to know the entire length of the home. And then they need to know the entire width. This home particularly is 70 by 16. Okay, so you're measuring across, you're measuring all the way down. So you also want to measure from the top to right here, okay? Now, you can measure down as well to have those measurements. But again, like I said, if you hire a moving company, they can do it themselves. But the good thing is if you're able to give them the information in advance, it kind of gives them far better information. Now, the biggest thing is you must have that hitch when you move in a home. Like, that is very, very important, okay? Also, to measure the distance from the axles as well and be able to give them those distances. This particular one, the axle was moved. That third, you see 1, 2, that one is actually on the ground. So that's normally one they may slide up front. Again, this is my first time really seeing them doing that. And you see the house on cinder blocks, right? That's how most houses are sitting up on cinder blocks. So really, I mean, man, it's pretty simple. Just wanted to do this quick video. Again, if you're moving a home, you want to give the measurements in advance to the moving company. You can actually call them as well and say, hey, listen, what measurements do I need to get? This, again, Master Force, you can get this, I think, local Lowe's, Home Depot. This right here was only, I think, like $11. So pretty cheap. For you maybe want to take the straight measure tape to get to the top. I had to have my man Phil, he had to use his long arm to get up top to do that. But again, man, this video is just really about measuring a home. So make sure, listen, if you want more videos like this, more educational videos, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. And then also make sure you follow the page, subscribe, because we got way more content for you guys coming. Okay, turn on those notifications. And if you want to learn more about mobile home investing, click below. We got some special things for you. I'm Byron from the Mobile Home Elite Investors. Salute.